Thank you all for coming today. I'm so excited. What we're going to do first is I'm going to get everybody off comfortable bums over here, bend over slightly, tuck the tailbone in, and breathe in. See if your back expands. Does it expand? Now, same position, just raise that hand up to the sky as if you're in a well and your friend is going to pull you up. And up you go, stretch up and down. Check to see whether one hand is longer than the other. That's how much tension you had. Compression.
I'm an entrepreneur and also an arts of a small arts intermediary in Kenya. And we're basically a disruptor of arts and culture in the. And I love it because I get to decide on what to change in this country in terms of the arts system.
The thing is, I was so shy that I never dared to stand up, and I was the comedian in the room. No one ever asked me a single freaking question. I was able to hide from the teachers. My friends would get the questions and I would walk away. It's like, oh, you didn't ask me anything. I was pretty proud of that, but the challenge with that is that once you get to that stage, you also think that you know everything.
The way that I'm breathing in order to reach you and beyond is very different from how both of you did. And for good reason, obviously, because it's all muscular. So again, if it's muscular, it's a physical thing, and therefore it's easy to actually learn. It's not talent that you need to suddenly be gifted with, okay? What if you could create yourself as the best version of you? Walk like that person, talk like that person, breathe like that person, look like that person. That's an outside-in perspective. But if you already feel that on the inside, then you just express it on the outside. Start to move the shoulders. Breathe, like just lift it out a little bit. It's a mischief. Zoom, zoom. I'll try. Let's try this, okay? Bring your hands up like this. Inhale as you inhale. And then as you give it, do that motion, okay? Put your whole body into it because you're very tall. So your center of gravity, you need to ground it. Okay, so inhale. And send it to me.
So at this food-borne gudgeon.
Do you feel that? I felt that. Allowing the inner voice to become a lot more positive, a lot more serving you, is then influence your outer voice. Okay, how to do that? It's a lot of mindset work. But what we're going to do is we're going to focus physiologically. Because the moment you start to breathe differently, the moment you start to speak differently, even that, so can I have a cup of coffee? It changes your psychology of it. Feel different. Act different.
If we don't change the ecosystem of the arts today, 30 years from now, our children will be robots in front of screens, not being able to express their actual inner creativity. If you don't accept that vision, then you should join the cause of making arts and culture a priority in this country. Sign the petition today.
Is this someone that is my equal? Or is this someone that I need to protect myself from? Or is this someone that I respect? Is this someone that we are the same and maybe we're both alphas and everything? So all of this is happening within us.